Hi everyone. In this video, you will learn to force Wi-Fi to connect over 5 GHz in Windows 11 or 10. You may be already familiar with words like radio frequencies, 2.4 GHz, and 5 GHz. These all words are related to the devices that provide connectivity from one to other media. Most people use some Wi-Fi devices, for instance, modems, routers, etc., to connect to the internet. These Wi-Fi modems and routers use radio frequencies, transmitting the internet to your devices like laptops, smartphones, tablets, etc. The primary difference between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi is their range and bandwidth or speed. Of course, your primary internet speed depends on the internet plan you must have chosen, but it also depends on your router capacity. To understand, you should use 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz Wi-Fi to connect to your Windows 11-10 PC. You should know the difference between both. Once you get the clarity between both, you can learn to force Wi-Fi to connect over 5 GHz. Difference between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi. To understand the difference between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, let us define both separately. 2.4 GHz. The 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi covers a larger area than the 5 GHz one. And the most noticeable feature is that it enters through solid objects with ease. It provides a maximum speed of 150 megabits per second and a signal range of 4-10 feet. But the drawback of a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi router is that it has a lower bandwidth or speed. Also, this band is more susceptible to different interferences and disturbances as a lot of devices are actively using this frequency. 5 GHz. On the other hand, the 5 GHz Wi-Fi router offers more service than the 2.4 GHz. It has a higher data range, and fewer devices use this frequency. It is less prone to resistance than 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. You will have fantastic internet speed from a Wi-Fi router at home if they feature 5 GHz. Unlike a 2.4 GHz band, this does not have a wide coverage area and is not the best at penetrating solid objects. How to force Wi-Fi to connect over 5 GHz in Windows 11 10s. If you notice that your Wi-Fi router provides a slow internet speed, it might be because you are using the 2.4 GHz band. We recommend you try out changing the band of your wireless media and after then try to reconnect. To force your Windows 11 and 10 device to connect to a 5 GHz band, first, open the power menu by pressing Windows +X keyboard shortcut, or right-click on Start button, and then select Device Manager from the pop-up menu. When the Device Manager window opens, double-click on the network adapters to expand it. After that, select your Wi-Fi adapter and then right-click on it. When you're done, select Properties from the pop-up menu. In the Wi-Fi Properties dialog, switch to the Advanced tab. Then, under the list of property, choose the Preferred Band option. Next, click the drop-down menu value and select Prefer 5 GHz band. Finally, click on the OK button. Now that you have configured your Windows PC, always prefer the 5 GHz band, disconnect the Wi-Fi, and connect again. If your router supports the 5 GHz band and is enabled in settings, your internet or network speed should increase. Depending on your wireless router's manufacturer, you may find the settings to enable the 5 GHz band. If your router does not use the 5 GHz band and on your PC you have configured for a 5 GHz band, still your PC will use 2.4 GHz if they don't find a 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Good luck!